Hello folks, this is Steve AB4L. Guess where I'm going? Doesn't look too crowded. Hope it will be easy in, easy out. It was really cold last night. Nobody's standing out here to take orders. Must not be busy yet. Oh, I'm afraid of what that person in front of me is doing. Come on, let's go. It's summertime. Here we go. Maybe. Kinda. Sorta.
Hi, welcome to Chick-fil-A. Can I get a name for the order?
Steve.
Steve.
You like Steve? I'd like a number 1 deluxe meal.
What's the number 1 what?
Deluxe meal.
The deluxe meal.
Now, what's your cheeses? Again.
American, Colby Jack, and Pepper Jack.
Colby Jack, please.
Colby Jack.
And a Coke Zero with no ice.
Coke Zero to drink?
Coke Zero, no ice.
No ice. Okay.
That's it.
Any sauce for you?
No sauces.
No sauce. $9.90 around the corner. Have a great day.
Thank you. Person's being instructed. She's trying to get the order, and the person behind her was repeating what I was saying. It's about 45 degrees Fahrenheit. Line is moving. It's terrible when you have laryngitis. Give me my vocal cords back. Receipt for Steve. Yes. Oh, you want money?
Yeah.
Oh.
That'd be nice.
Just playing around. There you go.
Thank you, sir.
You did?
Yeah, we did.
Okay. Around the corner. Receipt around the corner. So they're just taking the money there and they can't print receipts. It's a good thing it's only 45 degrees. It went down to 21 last night. I hope that person in front of me didn't put in a gigantic order. Okay, somebody just got a big bag. And they're moving. Yes, they're moving. How'd you like to be standing outside? Call of Duty. Okay, that one moved good. That was the one in front of me. Now let's see if they move. Oh, they're moving. You know, I like the express line. Now I keep my distance in case she brings my stuff first. I can pull out. You gotta have a strategy. See what I mean? I had a feeling, Steve. I had a feeling. Thank you. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. I can smell the waffle fries. I love waffle fries. Early supper. Celebrating. Bingo. Easy in, easy out. Thank you, Chick-fil-A. I'm not promoting anything. I'm not recommending. I love those waffle fries. Steve 84, I was saying, see you in 73.